with you, there are some stocks that you are going to watch out for results and other reasons next week?
Well, a lot of stocks, okay, because it's Saturday and Monday put together, so I've clubbed my list. The most important number to watch tomorrow will be Amara Raja Batteries. It's coming on Saturday. Of course, we all know that how important this company is. It gets very, very volatile. It was down 5% yesterday, I think flat today. So watch out for this stock. We'll be reacting on Monday, of course. Shree Infra again reports number on Monday and on Saturday, I beg your pardon. And Shree Infra again will be very important to watch out for. The company may positively surprise this point of time. The impact of equipment finance business will be visible this quarter. So keep an eye on this company. Clearly the stock was surging 5-6% today as well. Results which will be declared on Monday. Future Lifestyle Fashion is one company which I'll be closely watching out for. The company has shown very good sales growth in the past. Okay, Q4, the sales grew from 684 crores to 833 crores. But important is to monitor how the margins and profitability happens this time. Even if they are able to, get 3-4% in terms of the profitability margin, you will see exceptional growth in terms of profit. So watch out for Future Lifestyle Fashion. Inox Leisure, I'm sure I don't need to tell you that why the multiplex will be very important. Inox Leisure, the stock of course is up 7-8% today only, but most of these multiplexes have done very well. A smaller company, Mithon Alloys, could be very important to watch out for. Mithon Alloys is I'm talking about. Now this is a small company, market cap of 1100 crores, but some of the numbers reported by the company are exceptional. Even last quarter, if you just see, the company reported a profit of nearly 46 crores, which was actually around 1.5-2 years put together of profit in the previous year. So the company has done exceptionally well. Numbers have been very strong. Keep an eye on this company as well.
Okay, keep an eye on the